Starting up my Tesla. So we have here a Tesla Cybertruck. We're gonna screw around with it a little bit today and offer a little PSA, basically. What are our thoughts on it so far?
Well, it's certainly a shape, certainly large, and it's certainly made out of metal. That's the end of like the nice thing to say about it. It drives like a boat, I would say. Not like a Challenger, not like a boatish car, like a sailboat, like a yacht. Turn one way, goes the other.
They took inspiration from cars. You turn right to go left.
Do you think this could win the Pittsburgh Cup Rally?
I don't think it would finish.
It did what in this cup? I just want to say before we get into this, if you want to mess with one of these cars, do not pay somebody $1,000 a day to use Turo. You can get it straight from Tesla. They will give it to you. All you need is an unverified phone number or email address.
And a Google Voice number.
And it, yeah, 2 button clicks and it's yours. So now, they said I can just...
Okay.
And we're off.
Oh, no.
I'm terrified.
Yeah.
Do you want to find a school zone on the Google Maps, or?
Yes. They got rid of the stalks for shifting lanes. It's just a button on here. So when you're mid-turn, you have to like find your turn signal on the keypad here.
What is this? Oh, what the hell? Is this open?
Wait.
That's like the wind. That's supposed to show wind.
Is there a button for the glove?
Ew, what is that?
Yeah, that's the air.
The
Look at
airflow.
AC. Yeah, so look at the AC. You go.
Oh shit.
I don't even remember how we did. No, we did the fans. And then look at this. I can.
Yeah, good luck doing this while you're driving.
Yeah.
Where's the trunk button or the
oh,
glove box button?
Vampire Survivors.
What the f?
So far, no one has pointed and laughed at us, which is really disappointing.
Why is your input delay on the touchscreen?
I don't understand this dash. You get like a good 3 feet of just nothingness.
Yeah. Should we figure out how to turn the wiper on?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. So I'm driving my car. It's become rainy. My faulty automatic wiper sensor is not working. So I'm gonna start from nothing, right?
Safety?
Turn right onto North Main Street.
Where would I? How do I turn on my?
Bro, you would be washed on that shit.
Pay attention to the road. The car will yell at you while you're trying to find the fucking wipers because they hide the wiper control.
You can't just fucking flick a stick right
So
here
it takes
for
you so long that the car yells at you.
Oh!
What?
Whoa!
I didn't know we had that technology! Duh!
What the?
Okay.
Fort Worth. It's like a.
repeating
It
heaters.
already has street
It is
lines.
hurting. It's hot as hell in here, dude. Why are you doing this?
It's playing Miami Horror.
Yeah, how do we fix the music?
Yeah.
We need some Weezer.
Oh, that's volume. All the way over
on,
there.
Yeah, on the wrong side.
Yeah, cool. Oh God, Chrysler 300. This is what the future of steering is.
Me.
Ah, and it's so funny because when you do that, you go left and then it goes right.
Oh my god, damn!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh yeah, and it doesn't coast. So you take your foot off the gas, and it's like I'm trying to go around the
Dude,
corner.
this is like being on a fucking ship.
Yeah.
Whoa.
0 to 60 test.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh my god! All right. It can do that pretty well.
Yeah.
As soon as you did that, it gave you a warning. Speed limited to 85. For it.
Oh god.
Oh, dude, it makes you sick.
I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah. All right, I'm not gonna do it anymore.
Just like it's kind of hard to tell where the car ends. Like you have no
that's
frame of
literally
reference.
the blind spot that he was talking about.
Yeah.
It's just like the blind spot, just like because I can't see over the hood.
Yeah, exactly. So it looks like a dog walking, maybe a child or anything.
I personally don't think the blind spot's big enough.
I think it needs
We need a
more.
bigger hood.
Turn left onto West Main Street.
Wow, close on that
Okay, let's
corner.
see what it say.
I wonder just how aggressive it is. Like if it sees a small gap, will it just go? Go,
Sitting
go,
in the
go!
middle.
Where is it actually
thing's
taking?
taking
It's
us-
like
it's
taking
gonna
us to
kill
a
us.
parking lot or something.
Taking us to.
This is a dead end, is it not?
I don't know what to do.
What the hell?
Now what we're here for? Let's see if this will work. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Glove box. Oh, buddy.
Holly.
Okay.
Works perfectly.
Awesome.
Stop playing
Stop
music.
playing. Okay, so here's a cool feature of the Cybertruck. If you ever honk your horn, it plays music. In
Really?
case if you wanted that.
All right, here we go.
And if you don't want that.
Oh.
Civilian, minding my business.
Hey, get out of the road! Can you hear it out there?
It's so weak.
Why?
I hear it more in there than out there.
Yeah.
So the horn, the custom horn just, or maybe all horn sounds just come from the inside speaker.
Think about it. It's a horn. There's other people on the fucking road in their own enclosed cars. They're not gonna hear that shit.
All right, boys. Looks like we're here. Hey, get out of the road!
Running away from us.
They're running away.
No, leave it.
Let's see how many people can fit in the front.
What the hell? I would be scared, Jesse. That thing is gonna cleave your fucking limbs. Well, you look good, bro.
What is up, guys? Today we're gonna find out if you can use a Cybertruck as a coffin.
What
Like,
the?
Yeah,
This is it?
yeah.
Wait, I swear it looked bigger.
Yeah, I thought it was.
There's
like a
more
big
space on the dashboard than the compartment meant for
That's
storing.
like a serious oversight. Why would they? So you fit like a golf bag in there, maybe. Do not.
It's fast. It's
Do
really
not.
fast.
Dude, you're
Trying to close it. You've already stained the stainless steel. Oh my god, dude! What is on your hands?
oils, finger.
Help.
Put a swastika.
Nah.
There's already one over here
already
from
one.
the factory.
Wow, and this is great, really great. I mean, the panel, everything's computer.
Oh yeah! Look at those body panels. Look at that alignment.
It starts really tight up here, and then you have like I can almost fit my
Yeah.
yeah. That's ridiculous. Nothing on this is straight. Nothing.
Hello. I'm going to the grocery store.
I hope it caught that, but the thing is, you gotta really yell into it for it to be.
Well, I think like everything Tesla, it's pretend fun. So you're like, blah, blah, blah. And then when you go into drive, it shuts all that off. You have to turn it back on manually. Wait, oh, it's a charger?
Yeah.
Probably up. Oh no.
Oh, it's actuated. Interesting. Genius. Look at that. You just go like that. Look, so simple. Need to charge your Tesla in a rush?
Gotta tease it a little bit.
I wonder if it goes up.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Right.
All right, Jesse, can you fit in that?
Oh, it's so close.
Yeah.
His back's just a
What
little.
if you were like fetal?
No.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum.
All right, let's get out of here.
All right.
That's fine.
Shut up in there! We're going to Wendy's.
Get out of the way! I'm driving here.
What?
Get out of the way!
You want to have a beef?
What?
You want to fuck around right
What?
now? You want to fuck
I
around
can't
right now?
hear you.
You want to fuck around
I
right
can't
now?
hear you.
You want to fuck? Where does the MacBook end and the car begin? I couldn't tell you. That's a setting. Fart on turn signal. Fart on contact. Hey, get out of the road! Starting up my Tesla. Auto steer temporarily unavailable.
Cool. So we've broken it in the 4 seconds we've had it. Okay.
Okay.
Now turn left onto West Peach Street.
I'm thinking about it.
That's your job.
Where's the Rainbow Road?
Oh yeah, I turned on Rainbow Road. It just doesn't care.
Every setting you put on here, it just immediately turns it off.
There we go. Gotta have more rainbow. There we go. Look, there's a rainbow in front. That's what
That's-
Rainbow Road is.
Now turn left
That's the
onto North
incredible.
Henderson Street.
And that's with even more rainbows. That's the most rainbows you can
And then
get
we have the RGB light going around the cabin.
that you can't see.
You can't see it. It's not bright enough. Oh, Tesla! Look. What's up, fellow Tesla owner? I love you. So it seemingly knows that this is a temporary.
500 feet.
God.
Enter the roundabout.
Oh, please stop.
Oh,
please stop.
stop.
Please
Stop.
Please
Stop.
stop. I'm taking over. I'm taking over.
Jesus
It was gonna just run a red light.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
What a piece of shit.
It sees the red lights. too.
What?
Among Us.
Hey, good. Oh,
Now enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
we did not cue this up. This is playlist. Real quick about it. Oh, took that turn a little sharp too.
It gets real close to cars.
So let's wave at this Cadillac. Hey, Mr. Cadillac. Hi. Hello. 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 Hello.
Barbecue bacon burger. Barbecue bacon burger.
It's what a Cybertruck would look like in the 1940s. To conclude, even at a novelty level, you do not need to spend any money on this. Do not rent this. Don't buy it.
Yeah, if you just want it for a day of fun, just to see if this is a thing for whatever reason, you can get it for free. You don't have to put anything down. You just need a driver's license.
You get 30-minute test drives, and we asked if you could go longer, and he said nobody's coming to see this thing.
Yeah, nobody wants this.
Nobody
thing.
wants this. So it's always available for a test drive. There's one guy working the Tesla Center. So
That's shutting down, by the way.
yeah, this is closing.
So clearly everything's going great.
And they don't send the drivers with you because they can just shut the car off remotely. So you can basically just pal around and do whatever you want. Get it from Tesla. They do it best. So the last part of today's video is a little challenge. We're gonna pit the Subaru WRX 2020, which I'll let Preston talk about, up against the Cybertruck in a little parking lot drag race. You want to tell us a little bit about your car?
It's like the best mechanical, ice car you can get. I don't really know much about cars. This is just what the comments told me to get for this. But apparently this thing's going to be at least as fast as a Cybertruck.
I think the Cybertruck is going to beat it.
I think the Cybertruck's going to win too.
We're